Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the hourly chime on your Casio ProTrek PRG-600 watch. This is module 5497, so if you don't have the 600, you have one of the other models. As long as it's a 5497, this video should work for you. Now, this watch has 5 different alarms you can set on it. I've done another video in the past that walks you through the alarms. All we're going to be doing is talking about the hourly chime here. You can tell at a glance, no matter which mode you're in, whether or not you've got your hourly chime turned on. You can see down here in my display, I've got my day of the week, my month, and my date, but I don't see anything else in this digital box. If you had your hourly chime turned on, you would see an indicator on here showing you that. We'll take a look at that in a minute. If you want to turn the hourly chime on, it is located under the alarm mode on this watch. We're going to press the mode button a few times to get to that. Now I've got a sub-dial up here that will tell me which mode I'm in. I'm currently in my timekeeping mode. Every time we press the mode button, we will also see the mode quickly display down here to tell us what mode we're in. So I'm going to press it once, takes me in my barometer mode. You can see that my sub-dial is now pointing to the barometer. Press it again, takes us to our temperature mode, so on and so forth. We're going to keep pressing it until we get to alarm. Again, my sub-dial is now pointing to the alarm mode. So I mentioned there's 5 different alarms. What you're looking for hourly chime here is you can press either the top right button or the bottom right button, and we're looking for a value that says SIG. If you're pressing the bottom button, you might have to go through your 5 alarms to get to it. In my case, the hourly signal is off. If I want to turn it on while I'm on the signal value, I'm going to press the top left button, and you can see that it toggles it to on. You'll also see there's a little indicator, and I mean little, in the digital display that tells me that my hourly chime is on. Simply toggle it on or off, however you want. Once you're done, and you've got it set, you can just press the mode button to go to a different mode, or you can always press and hold the mode button to get back to your timekeeping mode. There are no options for the hourly chime, so you can't adjust the beep value, anything like that. It's simply an on or off value. As I mentioned before, I'm back in my timekeeping mode. Even if I went to the barometer mode or the compass mode, like let's go to compass, you can see that little indicator. It will always be on, telling me that I have my hourly chime turned on. Anyway, pretty simple stuff. That's how we turn on or off the hourly chime on the Casio ProTrek PRG-600 watch. I hope the video helps.